Sanibonani guys, welcome back to yet another video. Guys, not Umusa revealing that uMakhumalo feels ingathi uMakhwela uphakeme, you guys. I don't even know where she would be getting that from. But listen, Umusa said that he was going to speak to Usamke and ask Usamke ukuthi wenzeni for uMakhumalo to say that. All I can say is that if Umusa really spoke to Usamke, it clearly did not work, guys, because Usamke, her Instagram stories, I mean, even when uMakhumalo at the retreat was saying Usamke is going to be Bob the builder and fix all the inkinga zakwamseleku, Usamke went and put Bob the builder picture laphayana on Instagram, like to say, vele, I am Bob the builder. Samke, I'm afraid I'm gonna have to agree with Umusa to a certain extent to say, I know Samke, it's a lot what you're going through, and I know ukuthi it's difficult for you to keep quiet when you feel like abantu bayakusukela and they don't really know you. But girl, uzama ukungena lana. Haven't you watched any of those episodes of what was that show called that Umusa used to do? Umusa would always advise the woman ukuthi mesiyocelela laphayana, humble yourself, don't try and act above. So Makhwela, humble yourself, dear. But also, guys, next week's episode, does it look like Umusa is going to complete amalobolo kaMakhwela, guys? Listen, that means, if that is the story, that means Makhwela has been laughing at us all this time while we say Umusa's probably not going to finish off ilobola yakhe anytime soon. But now my question is, remember uMakhwela and uMakhumalo are from the same area. uMakhumalo, guys, uyathandwa ngabantu. People love her. Some people even say that she's one of the most loved public figures in South Africa. Guys, do y'all think people are going to attend Makhwela's event? Or do y'all think people like things that they will attend? In the same breath, I'm just like, Yazoo Musa. He knows very well what he's been doing. Listen, he said he said to Usamke, Chobile's sister, that he put indaba zamalobolo zika Samke on pause just so that him and Utobile could be fine. So do you understand when he's saying that to uMamkhulu, it already comes off as kanti ubani uMamkhulu kule system, because mina as uMamkhulu, I'm fine with indaba Samke. So why are we not continuing? Why must things pause for Utobile? So you see ukuthi shame uMakhwela when she keeps saying ukuthi, or she said before ukuthi uMakhumalo likes acting like uMamkhulu. Surely those comments are coming from somewhere. Maybe she does feel like she's threatened by uMakhumalo trying to take isihlalo sakhe, guys. But the reason why I'm saying Umusa knows what he's doing, because why is he busy apologizing, busy saying what he's going to continue apologizing, yet he's going to continue things for Usamke? Shutige, guys, the apology is just for nje. Umusa is going to continue doing whatever he wants, and he must stop pinning it on uMakhwela, stop pinning it on other people. He must say mina, I wanted to take uMakhwela and I wanted to do it and get timeline yummy, and I'm gonna do just that. Anyway, let's pause it right there. You tell me your thoughts on this. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge, and I'll see you guys in the next one.